Free woodworking plans at MyOutdoorPlans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from MyOutdoorPlans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project we are going to make a workbench with tote storage and caster wheels. The backbone of your tote storage workbench is the frame, so we'll kick things off here. Start by cutting 2x4 to size for the legs, top, and bottom frames. Lay out the pieces on a flat surface, ensuring everything is square and level. Drill pilot holes and secure the frame together using 3.5-inch screws. The bottom frame will act as the support for your totes, so make sure it's properly aligned. Next, we'll create the shelving system to hold your totes. Measure the height of your totes to determine the spacing between supports. Use 2x4 for the side rails and cross supports, attaching them to the frame with 2.5-inch screws. This step is all about precision. Double-check your measurements so the totes slide in and out smoothly. With the supports in place, you've got a custom fit for your storage needs. Now let's get the work surface installed. Cut a sheet of 3/4 plywood to size for the top of your workbench. Center it on the frame, leaving a slight overhang on all sides for easy clamping during projects. Drill pilot holes through the plywood and secure it to the frame using 1.25-inch screws, spaced about 8 inches apart. This sturdy surface will handle everything from heavy tools to messy projects without breaking a sweat. This is where you can make the workbench truly yours. Add additional shelves or dividers to fit smaller items alongside your totes. You can also install pegboard on the back or sides of the frame for hanging tools. If mobility is important, consider attaching locking casters to the legs so you can move the workbench around your workspace easily. Customization is what takes this project from functional to fantastic. To give your workbench a professional look and added durability, sand all the edges and surfaces. Apply a wood stain or a few coats of polyurethane to protect the wood from wear and tear. For extra flair, you could paint it to match your workshop's theme. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at MyOutdoorPlans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.